must thank the WMG for inviting me here. We are no more restricted to a small little nation. This whole world is open to us. This is a global civilization. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. This is a global civilization. So, the age now is where the spiritual is manifested in action as creative work for humanity at large. This is the aim. And I think WMG also is aiming at it. So I'm glad that you have invited me here. The time when yogis and spiritual people sat in their huts and hermitages and did nothing is over. It's gone. It's a closed chapter now. What we need is yogis who are active in daily life, who keep people together, who improve the quality of life. And I think this is what WMG is all about, that executives with a spiritual content and a spiritual understanding working towards the betterment of the world. What confounds me, as I started saying, is that one has to speak on something which is titled as silence as a strategic asset, which means that even to put forth the idea of silence, one needs to speak. So I would like to start with a little mantra from the ancient Indian text, which is beautiful and kind of defines my understanding of things. You must have heard it before, but I'm going to say it again. Unfortunately, today we are at a stage when people read, people hear Sanskrit but don't understand what is being said. It's quite unfortunate because it's a great language which is not only a denominational language. Don't consider it as a denominational language. It's an advanced language in which even computer science can be taught. We have lost it. We need to get it back, and that's a different story. So the sloka is Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadichyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Avashishyate. So you heard a lot of Purnas. Purna. One of my German friends said, what is this pur going on? So Purna. Purna means completeness. And this completeness is also equated with complete quietness. When I say silence, it doesn't mean not speaking. You can stop speaking for 5 days if you like, but your mind won't stop chattering. That's not silence. You get what I'm saying? So, this mantra means the origin of everything, Purna, Purnamada, that from which this entire universe originated, is by itself completeness, fullness. And Purnamidam, which we may not agree with, that this world in which we live is also complete, which is not. When we look at it, we are always trying to complete it. The whole of evolution of life is trying to complete what we think is incomplete. But the Upanishad says this is also complete. So how does this become complete? This becomes complete when you understand that in your true essence, you are none other than that completeness from which the world has originated. This can happen only when you have fulfilled all your thoughts and desires, or when you realize that all you need to do is turn inward. Here is a beautiful statement from the Upanishad. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let the whole world be happy. The whole spirit of the Upanishad is global, not confined to any geographical locality. Although we cannot deny the fact that this wisdom originated in this country. We should be proud of that. But the wisdom says, embrace the entire world. It's a global understanding of humanity, not belonging to this group or that group. It's wide. This is very important that we note.